Sa amin po, sa Albay, is we have the digital clustered rice farming. Na-implement po siya last year. Ang AgriLever is the service provider including the system app and satellite na ginagamit po ng mga farmers dito po sa Albay. Ang target po ng DCRF is 2,000 hectares based on the data po na nag-gathered ko sa Albay Agri Cooperative. Ang na-cater lang po nila is 500 hectares and ongoing po ang recruitment. Meron pong nag-renew ng kanilang loan. Ang AAC po ang nagfa-facilitate and loan provider includes cash advance, fertilizer, and land preparation. 0% interest rate for farmers, cash advance na 5,000 kada hektarya at 20,000 kada hektarya na paunang kapital and walang interest.